Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to view recently watched reels on Instagram. So let's begin. So here we are in Instagram, and the first thing that I'm going to show you is the first method. So the first method is that you can find your recent reels as long as you have interacted with it. So first, let's go into our reels section, and from here let's go and heart react on some videos right here, there, and we should be seeing it right here in our settings. So now to view that, so for example, you want to find those reels that you have previously interacted. So tap here in your profile, and when you're here in your profile, tap here on the three horizontal bars at the top right. And from here, you want to go to your activity right here. So once you're here on your activity, then you want to go into likes, because we have previously interacted with that reel with heart react, right? So from here, you can see the reels that we have previously heart react. So from here, you can already find your recent reels. Or you could also do comments. If you have previously commented on that reel, then you can also find it here, your tags, and so on. And another method is that this is pretty much common sense, but I think this is worth saying out to you guys. So from here, so for example, you're using you're watching reels right here, and you want to go back into it, but you haven't interacted with it or anything, then you can just go back right here in the reels section, and you can just scroll up right here, go up, and you can see your previous or recent reels that you have watched right here. And that is considering if you didn't end your Instagram, if you didn't leave Instagram or something, or you didn't close it, then you can just always go back right here and you can scroll up. I know it's pretty common sense, but some people it might be mind-blowing for them. So yeah, that's basically it for this video.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.